So hello, today I will share you my ideas. What are the top 5 lesser known features of the 2018 Nissan Leaf? Or at least those features took me some time to discover. Let's get started.
Behind the car, at the opening of the rear hatch, there are 2 separate buttons. The big one that you know will open the rear hatch, and the small one will lock the doors.
The accelerator pedal has like a second level or a turbo boost button, if you might say. So even when you're in the eco mode, like I am now, when I push it until the bottom, then it accelerates nicely.
If you hold down the night mode button, the infotainment screen will be disabled and you can enjoy distraction-free driving. To re-enable, just push the same button again. When using the navigation, you can check the estimated battery percentage at your destination. Just click the route details and the battery percentage is hidden under the More Routes option. There it is. It's not very accurate, but at least some guess. Pushing the camera button once will open regular parking camera view, but if you push it for the second time, you will also see a close-up view of the right side camera, which allows you to fine-tune your distance to the side of the road.